Are you sleepy, my love?
A little bit.
Are you excited to go in the mountains today?
Yes!
It's 4:24 in the morning and we have 2 hours drive ahead of us. After a 2-hour drive, we were ready for breakfast. We found a beautiful place by the crystal clear river, from which we took fresh water and made morning coffee. Well, that was dangerous and kind of funny. That woke us up more than coffee. After breakfast, it was time to hike the mountain. It's time for chocolate. It's so beautiful. Do you agree? At this point, we were already pretty high in the mountains. Slightly tired, but still only halfway to the top of the Mount Prisonik. An even harder and more dangerous part of the hike awaited us, but full of beautiful views. Although it's sometimes tiring to hike in the mountains, it's worth the effort. Because of the physical effort, like walking up the hill, I don't have the energy to think about my problems anymore. It feels like I leave all the problems and worries in the valley, and that allows me to feel freedom and the joy in the mountains. Nature has a higher vibration. The positive energy that I easily take in when I got to the mountains. Nature in general has a very healing effect on me. It improves my well-being, mentally and physically. We are on the top of the world. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, my dear friends, we are Sabina and Mattia, and we truly appreciate you watching this video of our little adventure. Live life by inspiration and enjoy every bit of it. See ya in the next one.